Welcome back once again, peoples, to the Latin section of Zaxis Plus. Today we're going to deal with the Samba. And as I've said before, it's always best to learn one movement. If you try and learn too much in one go, you'll end up all over the place. So this little conversation with some fellow dancers of ours last week who were saying they're struggling a bit with the Samba. Don't try and learn it all in one go. Learn the basic Samba bounce first. In simple terms, we step forward, ball flat, close the feet with part weight, and then transfer the weight. Back or flat, close, part weight, and transfer the weight. Now be careful, because it's bouncing, or the Samba bounce. Be careful you don't try and make it into a full bounce. The bounce actually comes through the feet and the knees. So when you get your step, you don't actually bob up and down it. We're still back to the old weight transference, going backwards and forwards, and the bounce comes in there. So it's only a slight bounce action. So try and get a nice little, again, go back to the first, learn how to move, and learn how to move your hips from side to side, because that will help with your bounce. So it's no good doing it straight. You've got to get that little bit of flexibility into it. So move nice and easily forward. You can feel that bounce there as you get the ball flat. So what you might be as well trying is just put the music on and actually just get that little bit of bounce to the music. Just feel the ball flat, so that's the heel just about touching the floor and then coming back. Same on the backward movement there. Feel that ball flat. Now, if you're not too sure about your balance there, just put the feet together and literally just move slightly up and down. Just do it to the music, nice and easy, and bounce. So you can bounce. Again, not too much, it looks silly, but get the bounce, get it nice and low. So we'll go 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Again, try and keep it level. You probably will find you up and down in a little bit first, but just take it simple. Learn how to bounce. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Don't forget you've got an and rhythm in there, which is fairly fast. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, which is mostly what you'll find through the Samba, although there is a slow, quick rhythm, which we'll deal with separately. So, basic Samba bounce. Get those heels, just ball flat, ball flat, ball flat. Just practice that to the music. 1 and 2, 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 1 and 2. So that's simply the basic Samba with a little bit of bounce added in.